Hey everybody, a question I get a lot is, how do I afford the costs of patenting if I'm an independent inventor? Hi, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. I'm also the author of Bold Ideas, the Inventor's Guide to Patents. That book and a lot of other awesome materials are in that link below, the Bold Inventor Kit. So click that and get started today. Also be sure to like and subscribe this video. So this question about costs and how do you afford patenting process, this is vital. For most individual inventors, it's a huge burden to kind of face what could be tens of thousands of dollars in legal fees to do the patent process correctly. How do you afford it? How do you get started? And the simplest answer I have is one step at a time, right? It's probably not the answer you love, but it's true. And with working with a law firm that is willing to do flat fees and break down each little bite-sized chunk of the process, that'll get you the best way to keep moving forward, saving up for each process and opening up new opportunities as you go. So let's talk about the first couple steps. And I think you get the picture of how this might open up more options for you regarding funding. Now, I've got other videos regarding funding. I don't want to take too much longer in this video, but there are a ton of ways to go get funding. And these are probably not new and sexy and glamorous, but banks offer loans, credit cards, friends and family. And then you've got other resources like grant money. Okay, going and seeking free money from the government that they have to give away, spending the time writing a government grant money. You can go check out the SBIR. You can also get free business advice through the SBA. They've got a wonderful network of advisors and mentors that are free to you. Speaking of the SBA, the bank loans are not just traditional loans, personal loans, but SBA-backed startup small business loans. If you've got a business plan, the bank will lend you money. And part of that is building up that core technology of securing intellectual property. And you bet that money can be earmarked for paying legal fees. So I'll digress from the seeking funding more to the how do I afford the whole invention process. The best place to get started with an invention, to take that first step, is to hire a patent attorney to conduct research. Find out if your invention has enough merit, enough novelty and non-obviousness to warrant moving forward to the process. Now, if you've been in the industry for a long time, you probably can help your attorney provide them evidence or lack thereof of why your invention is unique and novel and never been done before. If you're brand new to the industry and you've come up with this idea sort of out of the blue, that's even more reason to double down on research and to make sure you're appraised of what's been existing, what's known in the market, what's known in the industry, because that's what the examiners will look at. When you spend that next 10, 15 grand applying for a patent application, the USPTO, the United States Patent and Trademark Office, they assign an examiner that will take a look at your application and your claims and will be able to see, based on their own research, whether what you've supplied them is new and novel. Okay, so do that work ahead of time. Save yourself that money if it's not. Once you get that search done, that report will come back and we'll find out. It is not always the case that, for example, our firm will give you the green light. Only if there is substantial, what's called scope of rights. If we think that there's enough in terms of what we could get you a patent on, that'll be worth the time and money it takes to get a patent. That is the real legal opinion that you're looking for, not just a big list of research results, but an opinion from an attorney that'll help guide you on that next step, which hopefully will be filing a patent application. Now, there are several different types of patent applications, and I won't get into that in this video. But that's an example of taking that first step. And sure, that might be a few $1,000s to do that initial consult, to do the kickoff meeting, lay out the invention disclosure, and wait that 3-4 weeks it might take to do really proper research and get that legal opinion back. But spending that first month conducting the research, being patient, looking over the results, and seeking heed to that attorney's opinion, that is going to be that first step that will be the bedrock of what might become a very valuable patent portfolio. So taking it one step at a time, evaluating your options, and on top of that, looking at third-party input. If you truly are stuck financially, after receiving that search report, for example, well, now you can confidentially talk with investors, talk with friends and family, and share, hey, look, I invested my money in a legal research opinion, patentability opinion, and they said this is patentable. Look at the scope of the rights here. They think I can move forward. I need X amount of dollars for this next step. Will you partner with me? Right? That is valuable. That says, hey, I've taken time. I've researched this. and now I'm ready to move forward. Will you come aboard? That's a whole lot better than at the beginning. Hey, I need a lot of money. I'm going to get started on this project. Working with them with a specific fact that you have gone ahead, taken action, and now you're looking for help for the step number 2, step 3, wherever you're at. That's really powerful. So I hope you take that first step, download the Bold Inventor Kit below, and help us, right? Help us help you move forward on this patent journey. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm, wishing you an awesome day. Go big, go bold.